Hi, it's Mark from Hereford First Aid. And one of the most common questions we get asked on every course we run, no matter if it's for workplaces or schools, is about how to deal with a choking infant. I've got Greg here with me today, and we're going to have a quick run through what to do if that does happen and we're in that situation. First of all, it's not to panic. Most people get really worried when their baby starts to make choking noises, and the majority of cases when babies start to choke, they will resolve themselves. Babies choke a lot easier than us. Their gag reflex is much more commonplace, so they will choke quite easily to resolve their own blockages. However, if we are concerned and we do need to provide assistance, we just need to have a quick reminder of what steps we need to take. So first off, so we're dealing with an infant up to 1 year of age. So ideally, being sat down is the most advantageous position to be in. And the first thing we're going to do, what they call back blows. So we'll place the baby along our arm, supporting their head with your elbow placed on your knee, and then the baby positioned between your legs. Then between the legs, we will then do up to 5 firm back blows using the palm of our hand, and we're going to hit in the direction that we want the object to come out. So these aren't glancing blows, these are firm blows between the shoulder blades in the direction we want the object to come out. And we'll do that up to 5 times. It's polite to check after each one, because if the first hit works, the baby probably doesn't want another 4 coming their way. So we do up to 5 of those with a quick check. We should know one is free, because the baby will start making some quite productive noises and crying, hopefully. So we'll do that up to 5 times. Once we've done that 5 times, we will then turn the baby round to face us. So we'll spin the baby round. The baby's now facing us. And then again, still with the baby angled down, so gravity is helping us. We will then use what we call chest thrusts. So we use 2 fingers, and they go placed in the center of the chest, where if you've done these courses before, it's the same position where we're doing CPR. So 2 fingers running in the center of the chest there, and we will do up to 5 firm chest thrusts, compressing the chest down, and we're compressing the lungs, hopefully then using the trapped air to project whatever the object is out into their mouth. So keep an eye out for anything coming loose and lodged, and anything like that we can then use and tip it out of their airway. Once we've done that 5 times, if that hasn't worked, we will then start repeating the cycle again, and we'll turn the baby round, and again we'll do another 5 firm back blows, and then we'll turn the baby around, and we'll repeat the process again with chest thrusts. If this is still not working, we might end up in a situation where the baby goes unresponsive and floppy, and we might have to start doing CPR. But we'll look at that in another video a bit later on. I hope you found this useful. For more information, visit the website.